So hey guys, welcome back again in MUO Sigma classes, and we are learning Django, right? So in the previous lecture, let me just refresh this page. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed on, like, if suppose that, for example, uh, I am writing here my name Piyush and Bajpayee, and if I will enter, if I will press the submit button, then you will see my name, and you can see we have the route path here. So we have the home path here, right? So how we can navigate to the different screen also, as well we are, parsing our data from one path, from one file to another file, right? So how we can do it? So we have already discussed in the previous video. If you want to learn, and if you want to know more about this, then please go and watch that video. I will put that video link in my description so that you can watch this video. So in this video, what we are going to do here, we are just going to download the template for our the home page, right? So let me just go the tab, home page, template. So you can see many of free template. Okay, so you can see over here we have this template, right? Okay, so let me just see live demo. Okay, so we have this website, right? Okay, so let me just download this first. Okay, let me just download this, open in Finder. Okay, just double click on this file. Okay, so now we have this about.html, coaching.html, contact.html, we have this time.html, right? So let me just see what is this index.html. Okay, this is our main page, right? This is our main page, right? Okay, perfect. Go back here and let me just copy this file, and here in this we have this home.html. Let me just double click on this file. Okay, sorry, let me go back. Okay, so let's see, this name is, for example, home.html. Let's hit enter and just paste here, just replace this file. Okay, so we got our file, right? Perfect. We have this home.html. So let me just go back and just right click and fill in Finder. So we have all the static inside this, right? Let me go back here, and we have this JS, CSS, for example, this CSS file, JS file, image, and then we have a home, sorry, the font, CSS, only this file, right? So let me just drag here inside this. Okay, apply to all. Let me just merge this, merge all the things. Okay, just go back here inside the terminal, and in the previous lecture we have already discussed on it, like how we can set downloaded template inside our Django. So this is the setting file, and we have already set our base directory for the static files, and for the static root we have already set our asset. You can set any name here. We need to just type this command over here, just go to another terminal, just paste this command, just hit enter. Okay, will this override existing files? Are you sure you want to do this? Yes. So let me just think on it. Will this work? Will previous things works or not? Just refresh this page. Yeah, this is working fine. Okay, perfect. So let me just go back here inside this index.html. You can see we have set our load static, so we need to set here also the load static, set like this, index.html, and you can see we have set this static before the path, right? So let me go back to the home.html. So here you can see we have some of the path, right? So let me just set here. Okay, and just set like this. Okay, let's refresh this page once again. Okay, just type the name Piyush and Bajpayee and submit the page. Okay, so we got our page, but not in the good look, not with the good look. So, so something is good. If I'll remove this now, then you will be able to see the hard changes we have done. Let me just remove this so that you can see here what we have done. Okay, just refresh this page. Continue. So the previously the page was like this. Okay, so once you will make the change like this, then you will get some good differences. Okay, like this. So we need to make some changes in the file, same like as we have did here, same like as we have done here. Okay, like this. Just make the changes here. It will take your hardly 2 to 5 minutes, depend upon the file length too. Okay, so let me just paste like this. Okay, let's go back, refresh this page once again. Okay, much better, much better. Okay, perfect. Just cancel this and just cross this. Okay, this is looking much better, right? Okay, just go back here. We need to set some path here also for the images too. For the images too, right? Just refresh this once again. Changes we got, right? So let me just go back here. Type. Everything is fixed. Copy. And this is the path, right? Need to make changes. Changes like this. Just refresh this page once again. And okay, we got error. We got error. Oh, we need to define like this. We need to set like this. Just refresh this page once again. Okay, nice. Okay, some work is pending still now. Okay, for this SRC, for this too. Okay, perfect. Just refresh this once again. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so now you can see here we got changes, right? So after lots of effort, after a lots of effort, you can see we got our page. Okay, everything is working fine over here. So once I will go back. Okay, if I'll refresh this page once again, and I'll say like Piyush and Bajpayee, hit submit, and you can see this page, right? Okay, perfect. So as of now we have set only this page. If you will click on the home button, then you will get error, right? So we'll fix it, but as of now we can see this only here in this home page. We'll fix it, and we will modify this file according to our requirement. Okay. So now you can see here we have this welcome to our web coaching, right? So I want to make the changes here. For example, this is where, so for example, So for example, you can see here, welcome to our web coaching, right? I want to make this tag but with h1 or h2 or h4, you can say h4. This will look good. So I want to welcome the user. So for example, I'll get my username. So user type, because I have already set this name. So I need to use this name only here. Let's go back, just refresh this page, continue, and then you can see welcome Piyush Bajpayee. I want to set something. If I'll say h3, then I think the style will apply on it. Okay, this okay, yeah. So I think this is good. Okay, so you can see here, if you will use different name over here, for example, Payal. Okay, then so let's say Khanna. So if you will hit submit, then you can see here welcome Payal Khanna, and this is working fine. And so in this video, what we have discussed here, just recap this once again. So in this video, we have downloaded our template file from this website, and this is our downloaded file template, right? So we have fixed with our Django, okay, and we have fixed this template in our Django, and you can see here we have some little bit dynamic processing. You can see here we are fetching the registered user, the name, the first name and the last name, and we are showing here like this, welcome Payal Khanna, right? So I hope you like this video, and in the upcoming videos we will learn many things. Please subscribe this channel, and please like this video, and please share this video. I think you will love this video. Thank you so much once again.